Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Post Show Pro plugin video tutorial series. Today I am going to show you another most unique feature of the plugin, which is how you can replace taxonomy archives, both post and product category, tag and more pages with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. In the Smart Post Show Pro, you will see a menu called Replace Layout. When you click on it, you will find three options like Standard Archives, Taxonomy Archives and Post Types Archives. In the Taxonomy Archives, you will find the options to replace the post category, post tag, product category, product tag and shipping class page layout with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. I am gonna show you the process of replacing the layouts. First, let's see how the post category page looks like by default. Let's go to the default post page and click on a product category. So this is the category here. Here you will find all the posts assigned to this category listed in one place. Now I'm gonna change this layout with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin layout presets. There are 8 different layout presets which can be used to replace the layouts. To replace the post category page layout with the Smart Post Show, first you need to create a show by clicking Manage Shows and then click Add New, or you can directly click Add New to create a new show. I have already created a few and you can see the list here. So go back to the Replace Layout page again and go to Taxonomy Archives and enable the category page option. As soon as you enable it, you will get the option to choose a show from your created show list. So I am going to select Grid Layout and save the settings. Now if I reload the page, you will see the default post category archive page layout is replaced with the show you have chosen. The posts are showing in a grid layout in the post category archive page. Go back to the Replace Layout page again and here you will find a few more properties to be configured. Choose how you want to retrieve the post. First one is no change, that means only the layout of the default post category page will be modified. Other options like paginations, if you have any, will remain the same as before. Second one is change order only. That means you can set the post order of the show you have set to the default post category page. To change the order, go to the show you have created and scroll down at the bottom of the page to the filter by option and check the sort by and select an order by as title, and I'm gonna set order as ascending and update the show. Don't forget to save the settings you have changes here, so I am gonna save it again. And now if I reload the page, you will see the posts are showing in an alphabetical ascending order. The last one is change completely. That means all the features of the show from paginations to stylizations, everything you have created will be displayed in the post category default page. Following the same way, you can replace post tag, product category, product tag and shipping class page layout with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. Let's replace the product category page layout with another show. Before that, let's see how the product category page looks like by default. So go to your site store and click on a product. And you can see this is the product category. So click on it and you can see all the products assigned to these categories are displaying like this. Let's replace the product category page layout with another show. Go to the Replace Layout section again and enable the product category page and choose a show for the product category page. So I'm gonna select product list and save the settings. Now if I reload the product category page, you can see the product category page layout is replaced with the Smart Post Show list layout. So this is how the replace layout feature works. I hope you have got a clear idea of replacing taxonomy archives layout with the Smart Post Show Pro plugin. So that's all for today. In the next video, I'll come up with another amazing feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.